and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie. Welcome. I make videos on luxury handbags, fashion, and everyday life. If that is something that you would like to see, then go ahead and please keep watching. In today's video, I have a double unboxing for you guys from Louis Vuitton. It is going to be one item for me and one item for my husband. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So here is the bag, and I will go into a little backstory about these items before we go ahead and open them. I have a friend that I have known for a long time. They were traveling to Europe over the summer, and they asked if there was anybody that was interested in purchasing some luxury items through them. As you guys know, if you buy luxury or designer goods overseas, you do get it at a discounted rate, or not necessarily a discounted rate, but you do get it at a cheaper rate than what you would here in the United States. So of course, naturally, I jumped on that and I picked out something for myself, and my husband picked out something for himself as well. And the item that I have picked out, I was eyeing it for a very long time. For one reason or another, I never pulled the trigger on it. We would go into the store and I would ask the sales associate if she had it in stock, and of course she would. I would look at it and I just never got around to purchasing. And I'm glad that I purchased it now, kind of a little bit cheaper than I would be able to get it here. But enough of the chitter chatter, let's go ahead and share what we got. I really wanted to do an unboxing on this because I just want to go ahead and open it and use it and all that good stuff. Here is our lovely box. I'll go ahead and open it for you guys. So here's the ribbon. Like I said, this did come from Europe, so I'm sure they had to store it in their suitcase and all that kind of stuff. So the ribbon is here, the little cards are here, and there is the product with the desk bag. So I don't know if you guys know what this is yet. Probably you do from the title, but let's go ahead and open it. So here she is. Isn't she so stunning? I got the Louis Vuitton Agenda in the monogram and the GM size, and I have wanted this so long. It has been in my wish list on the Louis Vuitton website for probably like over 3 years. I saw it go up in price. I think before it was like $700 or $800, and it recently with the last price increase went up to $900. I was like, man, $900 for the Agenda. And for that reason, I never pulled the trigger to buy it. But I am really, really glad that I got this Agenda. I have the desk Agenda, and I can do a comparison and contrast on those two because that's what I've been using. I got the desk Agenda about 3 years ago during COVID. I think I paid like $600 for it. And at the time, this guy was actually really, really hard to get. It was never in stock or anything like that. So it just so happened that I never got the chance to get it. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm sure that you guys know kind of what it looks like. So this is what the inside looks like. It has one pocket here. It's got two pockets here, a pocket here, and a pocket right here on the side. And then it's got a pen holder, which I'm really, really excited about. It's got the rings right here to insert your own inserts. I do want to eventually get my name hot stamped, or not my name, but my initials hot stamped right here, because you know, I had a friend purchase this for me overseas. I didn't want to do that. I want to go into the store and kind of talk to them about it before I get it hot stamped. Here I have the Monogram GM Agenda. I can come back and do a review once I fill it up with my inserts and kind of explain what I like about it and how it's been fitting with my lifestyle. Now for my husband's unboxing, I figured I would show you guys what he got as well. Again, in the dust bag. And he just got something really little. This item that he got, I have it in another color. He has been asking me for it for a while. He's like, can I have it? Can I use it? And he can use it, but I really, my Louis Vuitton items bring me a lot of joy. And so I was like, well, I do want it back if you use it. And I think he just wanted his own. So what we have here is the Louis Vuitton, the key pouch, and this is in the duo color. It's the gray and then the black with the silver hardware. So I have the same key holder in the monogram, and I've had that for 4 years and I love it. I was using it every single day. I actually took a break from it because I did get a new Victorine wallet that I've been using, so I don't really use the little key pouch as much. But this is the one that he got, and I think it looks stunning. I think for men or women, I think this is really, really cute and really nice. Same coin pouch with the little key holder attached. Some people open it up and they put this in there and just kind of use it that way. So that's what he has. So this guy actually retails for $325. I believe we got it for maybe 300, maybe 200 something. So still at a discounted or a cheaper rate overseas. So we actually got a really good deal on it because for both of these items, we paid about $900 or $999, and that's without tax and with the European prices. So I'm very, very excited to use these and to work with our personal shopper, I guess you would call it, in the future. I think if you can get these items at a cheaper price, I think it is so worth it, and you don't have to pay taxes on it. That is it for today's unboxing. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up or drop a comment down below. If you want to see more videos like this, I do encourage you to subscribe. I make videos every week. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.